Hello friends! Today I'm gonna show you real easy pie. Even 5-year-old child can make it. Before we start this video, please subscribe, comment and like. It will take a second for you, but it will be much motivation for me. Now take all the ingredients and start cooking with me. This is a list of products which we need today. We need to take a deep bowl and add 3 eggs, flour, baking powder, sugar, vanilla sugar and milk. Now we need to stir all we've got for 3-4 minutes. Now our dough is ready. Take 10 grams of butter and lubricate our form. After it, add all sweet cherry we've got and add our dough to our form. Put our pie to oven for 40-45 minutes. Our pie is ready. Let it cool for about 30-40 minutes and our pie is ready to be served. Bon appetit or SMACHNOGO. As you can see, it is very easy pie. Thank you for watching this video and I'll ask you once again to like and subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day, cook with me!